Are you looking for a way to quickly lose weight in a safe and healthy way? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 14-day rapid soup diet. This diet is highly effective and can help you lose up to 10 pounds in just 2 weeks. So, let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the 14-day rapid soup diet. This diet is highly effective and can help you lose up to 10 pounds in just 2 weeks. It's a simple and straightforward diet that you can follow easily. First, you'll need to create a meal plan. This meal plan should include 3 meals a day and 2 snacks. For each meal and snack, you'll want to include a bowl of soup. You can make your own soups at home or buy prepackaged soups from the grocery store. The soups you choose should be low in fat and calories. You should also make sure that the soups contain lots of vegetables, lean proteins, and fiber. This will help to keep you full and provide you with the nutrients you need. In addition to the soup, you can also have a small portion of lean protein and a serving of vegetables with each meal. This will help to provide you with the energy and nutrients you need to stay healthy. Throughout the diet, you'll also want to drink plenty of water. This will help to keep you hydrated and flush out toxins from your body. You should also try to avoid processed snacks and sugary drinks. Overall, the 14-day rapid soup diet is a great way to quickly lose weight in a safe and healthy way. If you stick to the plan and make healthy food choices, you can easily lose up to 10 pounds in just 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link in the description for more information about the diet. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the link in the description and subscribe to my channel for more helpful health and fitness tips.